Welcome back to the Lemon Factor. I'm Chad, and today I'm going to take you through some initial sound measurements on our 2019 Mazda Miata RF. So in our last video, we installed the Greddy Supreme SP axleback, and in this one, I am going to measure the sound and compare that to our stock car and see how much louder the Greddy Supreme SP has made the car. The tone itself has become much deeper. Something that I rather enjoy, but let's see actually from a decibel reading standpoint how much louder the car is. So how does the Greddy Supreme SP Axleback exhaust compare to the stock when it comes to peak decibels? Quite frankly, it's not that far off. I am surprised, if I hadn't conducted this test myself, that they're fairly close. You know, at idle, both the stock exhaust and the Greddy Supreme, once it settles down, the sound is quite comparable. Revving the engine, yes, of course, the Greddy Supreme with its freer flowing and different muffler can reach higher peak decibels. The extra growl, the extra decibel really comes at the higher RPMs. However, with this RF, and you may not find this to be the case with a soft top, but at least with the RF, if you have the top down, at some point the wind noise takes over from the exhaust. Although these are decibel readings, so peak sound, the difference between the two exhausts are very noticeable. The Greddy Supreme SP has very much a deeper tone to it, so although it's similar or not that much louder than the stock exhaust, the tone is very different, and I like it. It has a very deep growl. If you want to keep the car quiet from an exhaust perspective, you can shift at a relatively low RPM to 3,000 and the car is very mild. However, if you want to wake up the car or wake up your neighbors, if you want to hear the deeper tone of the Greddy Supreme SP, you can definitely rev the engine into the higher RPMs and the exhaust brings the car to life. Horsepower perspective, we will dyno the car. We'll dyno it with the axle back, and then we'll put the mid pipe on. I will tell you personally, I have not felt much of a difference. Maybe on the top end, but quite frankly, I think it might be a placebo effect because of the very different sound the exhaust made. I wouldn't be surprised if when we dyno that it's probably 3 or 4 wheel horsepower at best. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. In our next video, I will dyno the Miata with the Greddy Supreme SP Axleback. So if you're interested in finding out how much horsepower the Greddy produces, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and until next time.